Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. This is Sushant reporting from India. Friends, the matter which I'm speaking today is about the not just national importance but about the world importance. To be very particular, it's about the election which is happening between Donald Trump and Biden in America. I'm sure each and every one of you has been very excited to know the results of the election of America rather than any of the by-elections in India. That was the general feedback what I got when I just contacted few of my friends at Germany and abroad and everywhere. Do you know why? Let me tell you why, friends. The simple reason why people are very excited about these results is because it is going to affect their immigration in the near future. Friends, that's the point I'm raising right now, that will it be good for Indians if Biden wins it or Donald Trump wins it? Let me tell you one thing. Few Indians have a perspective that if Donald Trump wins this particular election in US, then it's going to be a favor to India. Maybe Modi has the same perspective, but that's absolutely wrong. And let me tell you, friends, this person Donald Trump is a nationalist. For him, the nation is first, and he treats America as a supreme nation and all other countries below. But Biden is so his perspective are different. So, to be real, the fact is that if Donald Trump wins this election, it is good for people who are primary Americans, because he's giving higher importance to the people who are born in America. Whereas, if in case Biden wins, then he shall give equal importance to the blacks and whites. He doesn't discriminate much between the Native Americans and the immigrants. So on the other way around, what do I mean to say is that if Biden wins, it's a good favor to India, and Indians are going to get more employment opportunities in America, and it will be easy for them to literally get their visa. Whereas if Trump wins, then there is no way you go and settle up in America so easily, because he'll bring up so much rules that you can even not imagine that whether you will even get a job in America. Still, it's a doubtful task that whether you get a citizenship over there. So, in conclusion, what I would like to say is that in a majority, it would be good for India as a whole if Biden wins this particular election. And I personally hope Biden will win this particular election in America and make some favor to India and create some employment opportunity to Indians in America, and also bring few of his companies in India, establish them, and so that Indians are getting employed and empowered as a whole. And also immigration policies can become better if Biden becomes the president of US. And for your information, if you would have thought this particular Donald Trump shakes up hands with everyone, he's a good guy. No, it's his formality. Being a president, he must always do that. But in reality, you don't know how technically cruel he is. So be careful and make sure Biden wins this particular election. Namaskar.